So Alex has been pretty busy, and the back of the car is all test fitted and looking nice. The bumpers are actually in pretty good shape. Don't think I'm going to do the chrome on them, or just clean up the rubber. Almost ready for paint. And maybe one day I'll have an engine to put in here. Hang on, so you're saying that the bonnet is a little bit wobbly, Alex? What do you mean by that?
Well, obviously they get pushed on over the years.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it's all wobbling around.
Yeah.
So we need to dress all that up a little bit better.
How do you stop it wobbling?
Oh, heat. We're going to have to shrink it in places, a few shrinks.
And that just sort of tightens it all up a bit?
Yeah. I mean, it's been got at before. You can see where the grinding marks that someone's had a go at it before.
Yeah.
Most of the bonnets are the same.
Yeah.
You know, but no rust.
Yeah, nice.
Nice and solid, but lots
So
of...
these heavy scratches are from previous work?
Yes.
Yeah. And this was, he had to pull a little bit out here?
Yeah, we should try to pull a bit out there. We'll get the worst out. I mean, you're going to have a skim of body filler, but it won't be very thick.
Yeah.
But at least the structure's good.
Yeah, awesome. Wicked.
So we're on that today.
And you're busy trying to bend your brain over the...
Oh, that's what I'm doing your bonnet.
Over the RS.
I'll get the frame around it.
One of Alex's customers has bought him this car, and it's been done all wrong. So the guard's in the wrong place, Alex?
Pretty much. We're just trying to make the best of a good job, a bad job, should I say. To match the two guards side to side, they're just completely different.
Painful. Yeah.
We'll get there.
And these are custom-made 17 Fuchs.
Yes, by the owner.
Yeah.
17 by...
No.
I think at the back.
Yeah.
It might be even 11s at the back.
Yeah, it's fairly
Pretty wide.
fairly large amount of rubber there. Well, I can't wait.
Nice.
Can't wait to see it finished.
Yeah, it would be nice.
How long?
Oh, depends on the budget. We're just going to finish off the bits of welding in the next few weeks. Then we may be getting the bodywork job, I don't know. He may stop for a while.
Has he got a motor for it?
Yes. Got a 3-litre XC. Half rapid, I believe.
Cool.
So it should go nice. About 200 horsepower. Yeah. Bit of road going once, nothing too flash. I think another racing one.